Welcome to another tutorial video of PVZ Fusion, and today video is all about PVZ Fusion, where I will teach you how to download, install a backup and restore progress from your device. Firstly, open your any browser you use and go to search bar and type PVZ Fusion DOWN download and hit enter button. Click on the same website shown in the video. After you open the website, here is from where we download PVZ Fusion. But if you are installing PVZ Fusion for the first time in PC, then you have to download some additional file too. So to do that, scroll up to the top, click in Tell You, and from here scroll down and click on Show More Activities. From here click in PVZ Translation link and you will redirect to the download section where you can find PC and Android version of PVZ Fusion. And today we are downloading PVZ Fusion in PC, so we have to download some additional file. So install the click in the link, mega link, and wait for the loading, and then download the file. You can cross or allow the notification and wait for the download to complete. Okay, download has been completed. Now go back to the download site, and from here click in multi-language 3.6.1 and scroll down. You will see a zip file and click it. The downloading will start, and wait for the download to complete. Okay, after downloading the file, close the browser and open this PC. After opening this PC, choose the folder or drive you want to install in. I will open the game folder and create a new folder by right clicking the mouse. I will rename it PVZ Fusion and minimize the windows or click Windows plus left arrow. Now go to the download section or download folder where you download the file before. After opening the file, and select the both file and cut it. To do that, right click on the mouse and cut it and close the windows. Close the windows and maximize the folder where we created and paste it there. Now extract both file and wait for the extraction to complete. After extracting the file, now open the first file, and we have to install these two software. If your PC has already installed it, or if you have already installed it, then you don't need to install. But if you don't have installed it, you have to install both software and click it and install it. Then we will move to the next step. you can see installation was successful, and close the interface and go back to the folder, PVZ folder, and open it. Click the game files, and you can directly play from here or send to desktop shortcut and close the windows. Now I have created a shortcut on the desktop. Then now before opening the game, go to search bar, click or type graphic setting and open graphic setting, and from here click the browse and select PVZ Fusion, add it, and click in option, select the high performance. This will make PVZ Fusion run smooth. Now open the game and you can enjoy, and we will now backup and restore our progress file of Android device to PC or newly installed PC PVZ Fusion game. To do that, follow the step, and if you think or if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. You can see my profile already, but this is because I have already installed PVZ Fusion in my PC. That's why already in the file. So let me show you by deleting my old files as a fresh PVZ Fusion. You will see an interface like this. We have to play from the beginning to unlock ABS level or ODC mode. So if you have backup file or if you have progress on your Android device now, then we can backup the file and restore to PC. To do that, connect your phone to PC using USB cable, and you can see I have connected my device. While you connecting the device, you will see a notification on your device. You have to click on file transferring, then you will see an interface like this in your desktop. Then open the internal storage, go to Android, click in it, open the folder, click the data folder and open it. From the data folder, click the search bar and type com.lan, and you will see PVZ Fusion folder. Open the file, open the folder and click the file and open it. We have to back up this file, or we have to copy this file to our PC. Press Windows plus right arrow and open this PC. Move to the file where we created or install a PVZ Fusion and click Windows plus left arrow, so we can see both Android folder and PC folder in one screen. After doing that, go to Android folder and copy the file and move to Windows folder and paste it there. After you done this work, you can close the windows. Now refresh the screen and open this PC. From here, open the file folder where we install PVZ and press Windows plus right arrow key, and then again open this PC, and now go to the local drive C and click in user, open it, go to your username folder. Mine is MP Gaming Arena, so click your one, and from here you won't see anything, the folder we want. So To show that, go to view and click on hidden item, then you will see app data. Open the app data. From app data, click the local row, and from here open PVZ Fusion folder and click on PVZ Fusion. Open it. This is where our progress is saved and will save in future. So we have to backup, we have to restore our file here by copying and pasting our backup file. To do that, open the folder where we backup our file from the Android, then cut it or copy it as you wish. Move to local drive C or PVZ Fusion file progression folder and paste it there, and then done. Now you can enjoy your progress of your mobile device in PC. So if you like the video and if this video helps you, don't forget to like the video, feel free to comment and subscribe the channel for more tips and tricks. And if you want video or tutorial video on topic of how to speed up your Windows 10 or Windows, you can comment below. I will try to make a video on that topic too. So this is it. You can see my restored progress, and thank you so much for watching. See you in the next tutorial video.